How to fix call indeed problem on Android. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. This is Rose and without further ado, let's get started. First, restart your device. The first and simplest solution is to restart your phone. Sometimes minor software glitches cause the call indeed issues. Just hold the power button and you need to select restart. Once your device is back on, try making a call again. Second step to check your network signal. Make sure you have a strong network signal. If you are in a low signal area, try moving to a location with better reception. You can also toggle airplane mode on and turn it back off in order to refresh your network connections. Step 3. You need to clear the phone app and cache. You can do it by going to settings or even you can do it from home screen. Long press on your app icon and now tap on I button. Here select storage uses and tap on clear cache. You can even clear the data as well. Don't worry, clearing data won't delete your contacts but will reset call settings. Now you need to come back to the same settings page. Tap the search bar at top of your screen and type in reset. Here you need to simply look for the option of reset network settings and tap on the option. Here tap on reset network setting to reset your Wi-Fi, mobile data and Bluetooth settings. And verify your identity entering your biometric and select reset network settings. If none of the solution works, you need to contact your network provider. There might be an issue with your account or network coverage in your area. They can check and reset your network settings from the end. And that's it. Those are the steps to fix the call indeed problem on your Android phone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.